So recently me hear everybody a talk about trading stocks, bonds, and you would see various people I tell you say buy stocks or inflation I go kill you and a bag of things. But I feel so people really don't know what a stock is or what the stock market is. Most people just know say if you go up on JSC website or whichever website or app you use to buy or trade stocks. But a better understanding of what stocks are, what is the stock market, and how to tell which stock will be lucrative is a necessity for everyone. Just like everything, buying or trading or selling stock have risk. But before we go into that, like, comment and subscribe for more, and importantly, share this video with people that are looking for getting into stocks and other financial markets. Now, this stock business, there before most of we did ever think about or conceive, and nothing new. It's just that most of we did the back of time. A stock is essentially a tiny piece of a business. Like if you were to have a significant number of shares, you could actually have a significant vote in a shareholders meeting. And people that own shares are called shareholders. But most people can't buy at least 10% of an entire company, although some shares enable you to vote on certain things regardless. When people buy stock, the value of the stock tend to increase along with the demand for the stock. And when most people buy a stock, it is often bought from another person who did buy the stock previously and sell it back on the stock market. People can also buy stocks from a company when they offer shares to the public. Now, this is where IPOs come in. Now, IPO just stand for initial public offering. It's just a way for companies to generate funds from the public for whatever purpose and avoid the need to take out a business loan. Now, there are primarily two ways to make money from stocks, and I say primarily because in the world of finance, there's a million ways to do a million things. Firstly, buying or selling stock, and secondly, from dividends. The buying and selling thing simple. If for some informed or uninformed reason you think that the company will be successful or a lot of people are going to buy the stock, you buy it before it appreciates or increase in wealth. And when you feel like you're satisfied from how much you make off of it, if you make no profit off of it, you sell it. Now, for example, you buy a stock for $100, the value rise to $1,000, you make $900 if you sell it. Now, the other way to make money from stock is dividend. Some stocks offer dividends to shareholders as a means of encouraging people to buy the stock, and dividends are normally paid quarterly. Now, of course, you have different stocks, but most people are going to buy common stock. Them stock here give you a couple perks like dividends depending upon the company and voting rights with various operations in the company. Now, next is preferred stocks. Now, if you have this type of stock, you're most likely going to get more dividends and the volatility of the stock is less. Meaning that the price or the worth of the stock not really go up and down as much. It's more stable. But the downside of preferred stocks is that you don't get no voting rights. You also have ways for investing in multiple companies at once with things such as ETFs, exchange trade funds. This lowers your risk by investing in multiple companies at once, and it makes your portfolio more diverse. That means you invest in a multiple different types of companies and industries. And that's basically it. Just a basic understanding of stocks and such. And subscribe because I'm going to try to explain how you can predict when or if a stock will be lucrative and buy and sell on them things. So, until next time.